Hi, mystery writers. I want to invite you to Romance Writers of America's Kiss of Death workshop on January 8th. Mystery characters, who they are, and how they work in your story. And we're going to take a very unique view at major character roles in your story. And this is a participatory event. And so you're going to be writing. It isn't just me talking, it's you writing as well. And I wanted to introduce you to one of the segments, which is how does your sleuth stack up? And we're going to be looking at your sleuth and comparing them in a different way than you've probably done before. We're going to be expanding your view of your sleuth detective, and also we're going to write a little small marketing piece from the work that we've done. We're going to write a little small marketing piece to help you introduce your character to your potential readers. So I would love to have you join us, and I will see you there.